Hello and welcome to 802 10th Street, Unit 2. Now we are on the upper level, the living space level. Here we have this wonderful den space that is just made incredible with these two oversized skylights. It really lets a ton of light into this space, even on the cloudiest of days. Moving to the front of the property here, we have a guest room with a guest bath as well as upper level laundry here. Just talking a little bit about the laundry here, we have these stacked Samsung appliances with energy efficiency options. They're full-size units to take advantage of all your laundering needs. Just forward of that is this incredible guest bath with shelving for storage, as well as these wonderful vanity, low flow toilets, and rain head on the shower with an oversized bath. Just beyond that, we have this awesome guest room here. This guest room has the bump out in front, which allows for extra light to be exposed into this bedroom. This bedroom is big enough to fit a full king-size bed, end tables, has plenty of storage, 4 windows in this bedroom, which is amazing, and these custom closets right here with great storage and hooks all built into the property to allow another level of customization. Moving right up those stairs just outside of the guest suite, we have this incredible rooftop deck with hatch. All the railings up there match the railings in front of the property to allow complete design continuity. And just on the top of that rooftop deck, you get an incredible view of the Washington Monument. Great for watching the fireworks, taking in the DC skyline, and enjoying a little bit of fresh air.